Hello bestie, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Sivula nje bestie, sivula ngo installer, and please make sure you watch this video till the end bestie. And if you like what to see, please make sure you comment down below what next you would like to see me do. Like my video, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel bestie. So bestie, today we are installing this hair. So this is how it looks like. So first we're gonna be using our Glamour Beauty Extra Mega Hold. Oh, I love this spray. And best I make sure put andifaka katatu. I put 3 layers so that my hair can stay at least 3 days of installation. So it's me here hair drying glue. I want it to be dry. And best ungalindite yome just to be dry, and then so personally we are done installing our hair. Please make sure you comment down below, like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel bestie. I'm gonna be doing more of these videos. Bye bestie.